lover, thank you for stepping in. Good morning. Prissy Missy, thank you for the follow. Oh, it's so many return people. Thank you. Campart 1122, thank you for stepping into the live stream this morning. There you are. I see you fishing relentlessly. Yeah, this one's a good one. This one's a good one today. Deadly Unicorn, thank you. You did give me that gift. Thank you, thank you. She turned 10. Ah, fishing. Monia, that could be it. Thank you for stepping in. And Frederick, I got you, Frederick. Let's keep moving here. I just want to kind of acknowledge as many people as I can because I think that's important to do that. Is it cold there this morning? It's 38 degrees here, Deadly Unicorn. To me, that's not cold. And it's above freezing, well above freezing, so it's good. Thank you. Yes, the temperature is 38. How are you this morning? I'm great. The chat may seem old, but that's because I'm just catching up with it. Thank you. Thank you, Lee, for the cheer up. I didn't know that. Thank you, Lee. Don't stand too close. Thank you for reminding me, Susie. Thank you. Did y'all get some rain? Yes. Yes, user 6373. We got some rain, and there's more coming. I'm just... I think I might be able to cross the brook today, but maybe not. We'll see. Colleen, there you are. Thank you for stepping in again, Colleen. And I saw you, Christine. Christine A88. Good morning, Dee. Good morning, Dee. All right. Gordon Lamming, thank you for stepping into the stream again. Thank you. Dee, good morning. Gordon Lamming, I did say that. Gracie, there you are. Gracie S., thank you for stepping in. So many today, so many. I love the Forest Hawk username. Thank you. Okay, guys. We're gonna keep moving. Yeah, let's do it. Good morning to you. Sunday, March 10th, that's right. March is heading on its way. Yes, it is 38 degrees here right now, very doable. It's going to hold 38 for the whole stream, which is good. 7:14 a.m., we are just getting started. Let's do a little shout out to Buenos Aires from the world clock, 8:14 a.m. Buenos dias, muchas gracias, mi amigo. Good morning, noon or night to all of you who have stepped into the stream. Good morning, Jody. Thank you for stepping into the stream this morning. Max, I see you, Max. Thank you for being here. And there's Annie. Good morning, Annie. Miss Wanda. Good morning, Miss Wanda. Thank you so much for stepping in. Thank you for the follow. Good morning, good morning. Yesterday we saw the heron. Spring is coming. I did forget my bear spray, though. I did. I'll have to start remembering that. I don't think the bears are up yet. They're still sleeping, hibernating. All right, we're going to keep moving here. Nib NIB Rivera, I think it is. Thank you for stepping in, Nib Rivera. Good morning, Rans 150. Thank you for stepping in. Oh, thank you for the rose, Rans. Loving it. Second gift today. Thank you, Rans. Nice, very nice. Debrevia, that's the name. So sorry I mispronounced your name. That happens a lot. Okay, I'm going to keep moving here. This water is raging. Thank you for the follows. Thank you. If you haven't followed yet, could you please do that for us? Excuse me, share. I'm talking about sharing. Oh, follow too, but sharing is so important. We want to push this out so as many people as possible can enjoy this wonderful raging water this morning. Headed to the river.